Hi, and welcome to 959 Phonics. This is lesson 3, so if you didn't get a chance to go back and to do lesson 1, make sure you go back and do it, because that's where you'll learn how to do the things that we're going to do today. So we're going to start today with highlighting the rhyme. Oh, we need to get our supplies first. First, we need to get our supplies. So we are going to, you will need one piece of paper or the worksheet that goes with this lesson. You will need a pencil and a pen, and you will need a pair of scissors. So if you don't have those things, go ahead and pause the video, go and get them, and come right back. So now we're going to start with highlight the rhyme. You'll find on your worksheet, it'll say highlight the rhyme, and there's a picture of a pen. You'll need a pencil and a pen for this part of the activities. If you don't have the worksheet, just take a blank piece of paper and number it from 1 to 5. What we're going to do is say the magic rhyme, and then we're going to spell a word. You're going to write it down. So this magic rhyme is at. We're going to say it 3 times. At, at, at. Now we're going to spell the word throttle. That's like a part of a car, right? You might even hear someone say, I'm going to go full throttle. I'm going to go really fast in my car, or they might mean I'm going to give it all I've got and I'm going to go full throttle. So say that word, throttle. Okay, so throttle has an ending. Do you know what it is? L-E. Now let's go back and let's listen to the first part on throttle. You see how I'm sticking out my tongue there? So it's going to be a T-H-R. We're going to write that part in pencil. T-H-R. Now pick up your marker or pen and write this part, magic rhyme part. O-T. Now with your pencil, double the T and write the L-E. So you're going to have in pencil T-H-R, in marker O-T, in pencil T, and then in pencil L-E. We're going to do it the same way on every one. Ready? Ob. Let's spell clobber. What's the ending on clobber? E-R. Okay, ready? Clobber. Cool. C-L. Write the magic rhyme. Double the B and write that ending. Clobber. Ebb. Let's spell pebble. What's the ending on pebble? L-E. Okay, ready? Here we go. Pebble. First part. Magic rhyme. Double the B. Write the ending. Pebble. 3 times. Et. Let's spell wettest. What's the ending on wettest? Est. E-S-T. Okay, so let's write wettest. First part. Magic rhyme. Double the T. Add that ending, wettest. Ugh. Let's spell the word shrugging. Shrugging. What's the ending on shrugging? I-N-G. Shrugging. All right, here's the first part. Shrr. Do you know what it is? Shrr. Magic rhyme. Double the G. Let's write that ending. The next thing we're going to do today is making words. You either have some letter cards at the bottom of your paper that you can just cut out, or I'll show you the letters on the next page and you can make your own letter cards. You're going to do that by just tearing off a strip of your paper or cutting it off and cutting it into some little cards, and then you can just write the letters down on those cards. So here we go. Okay, here's the letters that you're going to need for today. So you can either write them down on your cards or cut the card apart. Go ahead and pause your video until you've gotten all these letter cards arranged, and then come right back here and we'll make some words together. So the first word that I want you to make is the word tie. This could be like we were going in a race and we both hit the finish line at the same time, so it was a tie. It could also mean like something that you wear with a suit, a tie, an article of clothing. So you may be noticing that sometimes two vowels go together and the sound of the vowel is the name of the first vowel. This word tie has that long I sound. It also has the silent E at the end, which makes the I say its name. All right, so I want you to break the word tie and say the parts. T, I. Now you're going to change the word tie to pie. I like to eat pie. My favorite is peach pie. What is your favorite? Go ahead and check the word pie, and then break it. I. Push it back together. Can you change pie to pies? Because if there's going to be peach, I might eat more than one pie. Check it. Break it. Say the parts. Eyes. I want you to change pies to cries. You might say, the little girl cries every time her dad leaves for work. Cries. I bet you already have it made. I bet you beat me. Now check it. Break it. Say the parts. Eyes. All right, let's do one more. Let's do flies. Run your finger under that as you say flies and think about where you need to change it. It's that beginning blend, isn't it? Break it. Say the parts. Full eyes. So today we're really focusing on words that have the I and the E together, and the sound is that long I sound, I. So what you're going to do is you are going to spell some words that have the I-E part in them. Go to the part of your worksheet that says spell the word. If you don't have the worksheet, you can just write these on that blank piece of paper that you were using before. I'm going to make the words out of letter cards so that we can break them apart to check them, but you're just going to write them out on your paper. So the first word that I want you to write is the word cried. I'm going to break it apart. You write it part by part as we say it together. Ready? Cried. So we had on the other page we had cries, but on this page we want to add that ed ending. So we have to change it there. Cried. All right, can you change cried to fried? Maybe you like to eat fried chicken. I do. Keep talking about pies and fried chicken. This lesson will make you hungry. Go ahead and check fried and break it apart and say the parts. Fried. Good. So you are going to write, you're going to spell it. So you should have cried and fried. Now, are you ready for the challenge word of the day? This one I will not make for you, and I won't write it for you because now you know something about how words work. And so you can write the challenge word of the day. Think about what you know about the I and the E together and how they make that long I sound. The word that I want you to write is tied. It can have two meanings. It could mean like the brother and sister were racing and they tied, or it could mean like I tied my shoe. Go ahead and write the word tied in your spell the word box. So you should have three words written there: cried, fried, and tied. Go and show your paper or your worksheet to an adult and have them check over your work. And then now that you know that sometimes the I and the E go together and make the sound I, you can look for that vowel part as you're reading And you can use it correctly. You can spell it correctly when you are writing. All right, I'll see you next time in 959.